Hello and welcome back to Zyro Auto. In the world of car ownership, the purchase price is only the beginning. The true cost of a vehicle is measured over its entire lifespan, accounting for fuel, insurance, and perhaps most importantly, maintenance and repairs. A car that saves you money at the dealership, but bleeds you dry with constant trips to the mechanic is no bargain at all. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what we believe are the 3 cars with the lowest maintenance costs on the market. These are not just cars that are cheap to own. They are a perfect blend of robust engineering and simple design, leading to peace of mind and significant long-term savings. We've chosen an unbeatable sedan, a practical and low-cost SUV, and a surprising luxury contender. First on our list is a car from a brand that is a byword for reliability, the 2025 Toyota Corolla. For decades, the Corolla has been the gold standard for anyone who wants a car that just works, and its low maintenance costs are a huge reason why. According to data from industry analysts, a Toyota Corolla will cost an estimated $4,228 for maintenance and repairs over its first 10 years of service, which beats the industry average for its segment by over $1,700. This is a testament to Toyota's philosophy of using proven, durable components and avoiding complex, failure-prone technologies. The Corolla's powertrain is a major factor in its low costs. The 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine and its continuously variable transmission CVT are refined and have a long history of dependability. The parts are widely available and affordable, and a large network of service centers are familiar with the car, making even routine maintenance a simple and low-cost affair. A simple oil change, for example, is typically on the lower end of the industry average. Furthermore, the Corolla has a very low probability of needing a major repair in its first 10 years of service, at just under 12%, which is significantly better than similar vehicles. The 2025 Toyota Corolla isn't just a car, it's a financial asset that pays for itself with its long-term reliability. Next, we have a vehicle that offers the practicality of an SUV with the low cost of ownership of a sedan, the 2025 Honda CR-V. The CR-V has been a dominant force in the compact SUV segment for years, and a huge part of its success is its reputation for being a smart, low-cost vehicle to own. Industry data shows that the average annual maintenance cost for a Honda CR-V is around $407, which is remarkably lower than the average for SUVs in its class. The CR-V's low costs are a result of Honda's engineering, focus on simplicity and accessibility. Common maintenance items, such as oil changes, air filter replacements, and brake pad replacements, are all relatively straightforward and inexpensive. For example, a standard oil change can cost as little as $40–$70, and brake pad replacements are in the $150–$300 range per axle, depending on the service provider. Even as the vehicle ages, the CR-V has a strong reputation for avoiding costly, unexpected repairs. The platform and its engine are well proven, and its parts are widely available. The Honda CR-V is the perfect choice for a family that needs a spacious, versatile vehicle but wants to avoid the high maintenance costs that often come with a larger car. Finally, we're going to challenge a common Misconception about luxury cars with a vehicle that is surprisingly affordable to maintain. The 2025 Lexus ES. Most people assume that buying a luxury car means signing up for a life of expensive repairs and maintenance. But with the Lexus ES, that couldn't be further from the truth. Lexus is Toyota's luxury division, and the Lexus ES is built on a shared, reliable platform. This means it benefits from decades of proven Toyota engineering and technology, while a rival from Germany like the Mercedes-Benz C-Class or BMW 3 Series might have a lower starting price. The Lexus ES has historically had a much lower total cost of ownership over a 5 to 10 year period. A major reason for this is maintenance. Many Lexus ES models, including the S250, ES350, and S300 Hours Hybrid, do not require premium fuel, which saves you a significant amount of money over time. Furthermore, its parts and labor costs are far lower than its European competitors, while a Mercedes C-Class has an average annual maintenance cost that is often significantly higher. The Lexus ES is consistently rated as being much more reliable. It also benefits from Toyota's reputation for using fewer, complex and failure-prone systems, leading to a much lower probability of severe repairs. The Lexus ES is a perfect example of how you can have a luxurious, comfortable, and refined car without having to pay a premium for maintenance. Finding the best low-cost car for you. So, how do you choose? The answer depends on your priorities and your lifestyle. If you are a first-time car buyer or someone who simply wants the most worry-free and affordable transportation possible, the Toyota Corolla is the clear choice. It is the gold standard for low-cost ownership. With its proven reliability, affordable parts, and a long-standing reputation for being a car that just works. For the driver who needs a bit more space and versatility for family or cargo, the Honda CR-V is the perfect solution. It offers the functionality of a compact SUV without the punishing maintenance costs that often come with a larger vehicle. It's the sensible choice that gives you the best of both worlds. And for the driver who wants a car that feels premium and luxurious, without the wallet draining maintenance, the Lexus ES is the perfect option. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice comfort or style for long-term reliability. The Lexus ES is the smart way to enjoy the finer things in life without the financial headache. Each one of these cars proves that a smart car buyer looks beyond the sticker price and finds value in long-term reliability and low cost of ownership. The key to a great car is one that you can count on day in and day out, and these three excel at that. Thanks for joining us here at Zyro Auto. We'll see you next time.